This is Dr. Mora showing you a patient that's about 3 months out from PEC Major Repair. It was a late presentation. It was about 2 months out by the time I operated on it, and they become a little bit harder just after a month. So looks nice and symmetric. We just have a little atrophy right here, but the contour looks really good. Contour looks good. Nipple, same nipple line is symmetric. Go ahead and drop your arms down. Good. And then in this position, I mean, the shadow of the anterior axillary fold hides the scar actually. See, you can see the normal side. And then when we go over here, let's look, you almost have to look closely to actually see it because it's actually hidden, so it can be easily hidden with a tank top. I don't make any incisions over here. I think it's kind of an unsightly area. That's what some people do, but I've learned to keep it away from there. Okay, great, awesome. How's it feel?
Feels good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good. Awesome. You're going to start lifting pretty soon? Some band work?
Just band work probably, you know, that's about it.